And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself cajoshikumar. In this video we are going to cover the most important section, that is section 115 AD from your non-resident taxation chapter. So अगर इसमें से question आ गया तो it will not come for less than 6 marks. So watch this video till the end. There is also an amendment and we'll be covering the amendments also, concept, and along with that we will also do a question. Okay, so I'll be uploading more videos like this where we'll be covering the amendments, concepts plus questions. Please do hit that subscribe button and share with your friends. Let's go. So basically we'll start with long-term capital gains. Long-term capital gains which is under 112A. The tax rate is 12.5%. Okay. Now long-term capital gains other than 112A, earlier the tax rate was 10%. Now they have been amended to 12.5%. Long-term capital gains, the tax rate is 12.5%. Clear? But 112A, you will get an additional deduction of 1.25 lakhs. We all know that, right? Now the same thing applies for your 111A also. Short-term capital gains under section 111A, the tax rate is 20%. Now any other short-term capital gains other than 111A, the tax rate is 30%. Clear till here? We are done with long-term capital gains and short-term capital gains. And if you are earning any interest or any dividend, the tax rate is 20%. Clear? Now there is a special point, that is your rupee denominated bonds. So basically they have invested in rupee denominated bonds for which they are getting interest. Now interest generally it is chargeable to tax at the rate 20%. But earlier, if they have earned any interest before 36/2023, there was a concessional rate. The tax rate was 5% back then. Okay, if you are earning any interest after 36/2023, the tax rate is 20%. Okay, so basically this is an outdated provision, but ICA keeps testing on this point. Okay, now let's do the question. Before question, remember there is no indexation benefit. ये जो लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन्स है ना, अदर देन 112 है, देर यू विल नॉट गेट एनी इंडेक्सेशन बेनिफिट अंडर 115 AD, first point, and then you will not get any deduction for any other expenditure also. Clear? So let's see, this one is applicable for foreign institutional investors and specific fund only. Okay, the section is applicable for this too. Now they have given you short term capital gains. Okay, this is your sale proceeds and this is your cost for company A, and they have given you they clearly told that STT is paid at the time of purchase and sale. If STT is paid at the time of purchase and sale, इसका मतलब क्या? This is 111A short term, so 111A is applicable. Okay, short term 111A is applicable since STT is paid. The tax rate is 20%. Now let's see the answer. So company A का 16 lakhs is the sale proceeds and cost of acquisition is 6 lakhs. So this is your gain. As per 111A, the tax rate is 20%. We have removed the tax liability. Clear? Now let's see the next one. Okay, company B sale proceeds is 11,50,000 and cost of acquisition is 5,65,000. Sale minus cost, and they've clearly given that STT is not paid. If STT is not paid, then what happens? It will fall under any other short-term capital gain other than 111A. Okay, the tax rate is 30%. So this comes under 115 AD. Okay, so company B sale consideration minus cost of acquisition, this is your gain. Under 115 AD, the tax rate is 30%. This is your tax liability. Clear? Chalo. So we are done with short-term capital gains. Okay, now next is long-term capital gain. He says long-term capital gain sale proceeds is 55 lakhs and then the purchase cost is 29 lakhs. Okay, here they have not given you anything about your STT. इसका मतलब क्या? This does not come under your 112A. Okay, this is not falling under your 112A. 112A में होता तो they would have given you anything about STT, right? Since they have not given anything about STT, here in the question if you see long-term capital gain sale proceeds and purchase they gave, and they gave you cost of inflation index. ठीक है, indexation के लिए क्या indexation मिलता है इधर? नहीं मिलता है. I've clearly told you that benefit of indexation is not available. Okay, it is not coming falls under 112A, so it falls under any other long-term capital gain other than 112A. The tax rate now is 12.5%. Okay, earlier it was 10%, but now it is 12.5%. But the point here, remember, we will not get any indexation benefit. He gave this point right just to fool you guys, but we will not get any indexation. 55 minus 29. See, 55 minus 29, this is your gain. Under section 11580, 12.5% is your tax rate. Clear? Now the other point is, see, interest received from Indian company on investment in rupee denominated bonds. What I told you, if you are earning any interest on rupee denominated bonds, if you are earning after 2023, okay, any interest that you are earning after 36/2023, the tax rate is 20%. If it is up to 36/2023, the tax rate was 5%. Okay, so the tax rate is here 20% is the tax rate. Okay, and then there are other points also, like dividend income is there 225, interest income is there 8 lakhs. Okay, so all this come under 20% bracket only. Okay, so we have computed the tax liability, HEC added, and then total tax liability. See, total income is 76 lakhs. See, this fellow Miss Bittu is there, no? This Miss Bittu Incorporation is a foreign entity. Okay, for foreign companies, you should also check the surcharge. If it is from 1 crore to 10 crores, the surcharge rate is 2%. More than 10 crores, the surcharge is 5%. So here the total income, if you see, it is only 76 lakhs. That's why there is no surcharge. Okay, so that's it in this video. And please do hit that subscribe and like button, share with your friends guys, and we'll be coming up with more videos like this. Thank you all so much.